Describe your home. I live in a small house in location. It has 2 bedrooms, a living room, a kitchen, and a bathroom. My room is on the 2nd floor, and it is very cozy. There is a small garden outside where I like to grow flowers and vegetables. I love my home because it makes me feel comfortable. Do you live in a big house? No, I live in a small house. Do you live in Dong Nai? Yes, I live in Dong Nai. Where do you live? I live in Dong Nai. Is your house small or big? My house is small. Who lives in a small house? I live in a small house. Do I live in a small house? Yes, you live in a small house. What do you live in? I live in a small house. Does your house have 3 bedrooms? No, it has 2 bedrooms. How many bedrooms does it have? It has 2 bedrooms. Does it have a kitchen? Yes, it has a kitchen. What rooms does your house have? It has 2 bedrooms, a living room, a kitchen, and a bathroom. Does it have a garage? No, it doesn't have a garage. Does your house have a bathroom? Yes, it has a bathroom. Do you have a living room? Yes, I have a living room. Is your room on the 1st floor? No, it's on the 2nd floor. Where is your room? It's on the 2nd floor. Is your room cozy? Yes, it is very cozy. What floor is your room on? It is on the 2nd floor. Is it a cold room? No, it's a cozy room. Do you live on the 2nd floor? Yes, I live on the 2nd floor. What is your room like? It is very cozy. Is there a small garden outside? Yes, there is. What is outside your house? A small garden. Do you grow flowers in the garden? Yes, I do. Do you grow vegetables? Yes, I grow vegetables. What do you grow in your garden? I grow flowers and vegetables. Where do you grow vegetables? I grow them in the garden. Do you like to grow things? Yes, I like to grow things. Do you love your home? Yes, I love my home. Why do you love your home? Because it makes me feel comfortable. Does your home make you feel happy? It makes me feel comfortable. Do I love my home? Yes, you do. What makes you feel comfortable? My home makes me feel comfortable. Do you feel comfortable at home? Yes, I do. Is your home uncomfortable? No, it's comfortable.